Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be showing to you what solid modeling is and how you can use it. After you've opened your place, hit model and then you will see this solid modeling, unit, union, negate and separate. Alright, so how do we use it? Spawn in a part, make it a bit bigger. Now just make another part or clone it like I did. Let's do it like this. Actually, I will go back. I will make the small one. I want the hole to be here. I will align it by hitting the object, this part, and then align. Alright, good. Now I'll make this a bit bigger, and now negate, and then hold Control and hit the second part in union. As you can see, there's a hole in here. So, what just happened? Alright, so the part you're negating, that's basically the hole, alright? If you don't want to, or if you want to unnegate the part, you can just hit separate and done. After unioning two parts, you will see there's a hole in there now. How can we separate it? Just hit separate. Pretty simple. Alright. So, I did this in the thumbnail. How did I do this? Alright. So all I really did is this. Alright. This is a cylinder. Unnegated one to be exact, and it's aligned with the align tool. And we now select both and union. You can see it's perfect. So there's also some more to this. The unions to be exact. If you click on it, there's a new property. This one is like the most important one. Use part color, alright? This is important for texturing, alright? If you want the whole thing, if you union like multiple parts together, you want the whole thing to have one color, just click use part color and change the brick color. That's it. That was it for solid modeling. And if you liked the video, I'd be happy if you subscribe and leave a like. See you.